Hello everyone, my name is Shantanu Kuveskar and now I am going to take you all with me to observe another species of woodpecker which is quite common and widely distributed in Indian subcontinent. The yellow-crowned woodpecker, which is also known as the Maharashtra woodpecker. Now let's have a look over it. Yellow-crowned woodpecker.
Yellow-crowned woodpecker or Maratha woodpecker (Leiopicus mahrattensis) is a species of small woodpecker found in the Indian subcontinent. Male-female look alike, but male has red-colored forecrown where the female has golden-colored crown. Overall, female seems to be less colorful than the male, and they are around 17 to 18 centimeters in size. Their call is a sharp-noted peek-peek with a high descending rattle keek-keek-keek. They are mostly seen in pairs, but sometimes seen in the family group of 4 to 5 birds, and they feed on termites, ants, beetles, moths, larvae, caterpillars, weevils, as well pulpy fruits like ficus and nectar of flowers from red coral tree. Their most preferred habitats includes dry arid areas with relatively open woodland, semi-deserts to moist deciduous plains, foothills and hills up to altitudes of 2000 meters. Also, they make local movements in search of food.
I hope you all enjoyed watching and knowing more about this woodpecker through my short documentary. Feel free to share this documentary with your friends and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching and bye for now.